Hey there, it's Odessa Kyleman, and I am here at my newest listing. This property address is 7004 North Barbados, and I love this patio home. It's kind of in that mid townhouse patio home vibe. This particular house has 2 bedrooms, a separate sitting room, an office, a living room, kitchen, 2-car garage, and a courtyard. So I'm going to give you a little tour around here. So here we are out front. You have a 2-car garage, and then you have a separate little entrance right there where you just kind of walk up to get into your courtyard. So let's take a look and get over there. Here we are. When you enter the courtyard, first of all, the shade is amazing. They've got this tree that covers up over the top. They've got brick flooring, all the pavers, slate on the walls, built-in barbecue. Just a really cool spot to hang out. And all of the doors around go into different rooms in the house, so you can kind of have that open air indoor outdoor living. I'm here just hanging out by the pool. It's a little hot today, so nobody's out here, but I'm sure on the weekend, this is gonna be the place to be. They've got little aerator fountains, which helps keep the water temperature down a little bit. And I also just wanted to point out, even though we are pretty close to Glendale, not gonna hide it, the noise isn't that bad. It's kind of background, you can hear it, but if you're not focusing on it, it's not gonna interrupt conversation or anything like that. So, you know, That's just kind of a full disclosure, because I do like to make sure that everybody understands exactly what you're getting, what the pros, the cons are. But honestly, if you're looking for a little bit more of that urban vibe and that urban living, you're always going to have some type of, well, noise or traffic, because when you don't have that, that's when you're out in the burbs. So if you are looking for something in Midtown, if you like that mid-century feel, this is a very cool complex and a great home. So contact me for more information. Subscribe to see more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.